How's the kitchen?
It's lovely. Look how convenient and ergonomic it is. See, I can actually turn around
And still be in the same
and
place.
open the door if I move out of the way.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Marion, you dancing over here in the corner?
I'm making my bed.
Oh, let's see. Oh, and here was my changing closet. And the fireplace. Okay, 360. All right. Oh, and then this is the bedroom. You can't see it. The lights are off, but that's the nice bedroom. Porch is out this way.
Trash is outside.
Before doing my YouTube videos.
How was the bathroom? Tell me about the shower.
Well, the thing you need to know about the shower is that it's a fixed shower head, so you can't prevent any problems from occurring. So to turn the shower on, you have to open the door, turn it on, and the water is shooting out of the shower door onto the floor while you try to adjust the temperature. Then you have to slam the door closed really fast and wait for 5 minutes while the water warms up. Then you have to slide sideways into the shower so you don't let more water come out than absolutely necessary. And then you close the door quickly and don't wiggle too much in the shower or it makes the whole thing shake a little bit. But if you can survive that, then you're good.
So, how was your camping experience here?
Absolutely wonderful.
Lovely. It was
You
lovely.
can't depress us with a faulty shower.
I must be out of card. Here, all this time I thought I was recording. Wow, watch out. Jeez-a-ree. Another car tried to run us over, didn't it?
Yes.
We're gonna keep going, okay?
Okay.
Look back. Ah, it was foggy.
Right.
Okay, look forward. That's where the shot is.
People standing by the side of the road.
Yep. That's a shot. Yeah, go ahead. Get the shot.
No, never mind.
Where are we going, Marion?
Where are we going? I don't know where we're going.
We're going into North Carolina now.
All right.
We're going into what river?
This is the horse pasture.
Horse pasture. Look at the color on that water.
Abby is connected with some birdies too. Okay. Yeah, and she's a delightful lady.
Now look at this relations.
That's what I'm saying.
No, it's a very well organized, tight shop. It is. Tell her that.
Where are we?
Paradise.
Where are we?
Escatoy Falls.
Thank y'all. Trying to video, and nobody ever. They look at me like, oh, you're.